opportunity through MGoldex. Now, MGoldex is a very simple business model. To make the money in MGoldex, to become part of the marketing program, you must enter what's called the table of orders. All the individuals and the arrows that you see sequentially from left to right, all the partners that come in initially come in on these top 8 spots. But to do this, you have to understand a real mission of MGoldex. They want to sell and create market share. So let's suppose you want to buy gold. In fact, let's go with the example of MGoldex, 7,000 euro of gold. But you don't have the money to do so. I would assume you're all familiar with the concept of a layaway purchase. And as this slide says here, that's the example that I want to give you. Now, just to be clear, the layaway purchase isn't the MGoldex opportunity. This is just an example of what a traditional retailer like a Walmart or someone would offer you if you wanted to buy a high-priced ticket item, say, for instance, a TV or something along those lines. If you didn't have the money, say a $2,000, $3,000 or so TV, you'd put down a small down payment on the opportunity, and then you'd pay it monthly over time. Well, let's say Diana wants to purchase 7,000 euro worth of gold, which MGoldex, of course, wants to sell her. But again, she doesn't have the money. She can put herself on the layaway plan that we just discussed. And traditionally, on a layaway plan, Diana would put 500 euro down, and she'd contribute $500 more each month until the entire amount is paid, which in this case would take about 14 months. She would then receive the gold. Well, MGoldex has a much better and frankly ingenious marketing program. MGoldex wants to sell faster than the traditional layaway plan without the monthly expense to Diana because she doesn't have or want to make that monthly expense. Suppose Diana can receive the 7,000 euro of gold with that $500 prepayment. That is the MGoldex opportunity. So take a look at it from this perspective. The marketing program has been put together to allow people to make a collective purchase. As you'll see down on the bottom of this screen, I put it in quotations. It is a collaborative effort. That is to spend a little time spreading the word, which of course means creating market share, advertising word of mouth through our own personal networks, rather than in MGoldex spending millions of dollars on brand recognition and the traditional advertising means. So, that being said, the first step is Diana would put down the 540 euro. She'd introduce the opportunity to 2 other business associates. In this case, as you see on the main table of orders, you'll notice Diana is in what we call level 4. This happens to actually be the paid spot. Diana would introduce the opportunity to Michael and Gertrude, and Michael and Gertrude would agree to get their 2. Again, we're fulfilling a marketing formula here, folks, of 1 plus 2. So Michael will introduce the opportunity to Igor and Katrin, and Gertrude would introduce it to Laura and Peter. Every table has the 7 people already aboard. As new buyers come in, the table fills sequentially from left to right in the top 8 level 1 spots. Eventually, the table is full with partners who have followed the 1 plus 2 program. So again, Diana comes aboard, she introduces and shares with 2 other individuals, Michael, Gertrude do the same, and etc. The new individuals, the Lances, Marias, Sherry, Karen that you see in the top level 1 spots, they're going to be filling the board up as well. Finally, when Will, who's on the far right, makes that final purchase, the table will fill. What happens next? Diana now, the table is full. She will come out of that paid spot. She would receive her first, I stress first, 3,500 euro. As the top 8 fill, folks, in that level 1, everything gets progressively pushed down. So now you have Michael and Gertrude in their paid spot. Igor and Katrina move down. Laura and Peter move down. And Lance, Maria, and Sherry move down as well, as evident in this next slide, where you'll see again, Michael and Gertrude move down to that level 4. And you have a new top 8 where the new individual purchases will take place. Again, just to bring this to life, when those empty spaces in the top 8 of the left side main table of orders and the top 8 empty side of the right table of orders fill, everything will progressively move down once again. Igor and Katrin will move down to their paid spots. Laura and Peter will move down to theirs. And, of course, Michael and Gertrude are now going to be paid through the opportunity as well. Now, the second cycle, as you see here, what happens next is pretty fantastic because Diana, as you see, on level 4, she's in that paid position, as I said. But as the table full of orders, she now comes out and gets paid on the second opportunity. She's now on her second cycle. So now, as I said, all the other individuals have moved down to their respective tables. So it's a simple process of working collaboratively to buy gold to continue to share the concept of 1 plus 2. Diana, moving to the second cycle now, has followed her sponsor, meaning the person that brought her in on a personal basis. She moves to that second cycle. Now, as the purchasers come in those vacant 7 spots, and that fills up, Diana then would again move down to the second level. A new top 8 would show, the table would split, so on and so forth, so that again, Diana will move down to that coveted 1 spot down the bottom of your screen there, and she would then get paid another additional €35 in gold. Again, all she's doing, folks, is creating that market share, and for creating that market share, for following the simple marketing formula, mGoldX is very willing to reward in gold. So let's take a look at Diana. Again, that first time she's going to pay the €3,500.